Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to turn on two-factor verification on Facebook account. So the first thing is just open up your Facebook, then tap on the three lines at the top right corner, then tap on search for your account center, then type in account center, then tap on password and security, tap on two-factor authenticator, tap on the account you want to set it up on. So you'll be asked to enter your password. After that, and you check your email for a code. So copy the code and put it in. Tap on continue. So you can now add extra security to your account. Checking the security method you want, choose it. You can use application app, you can use SMS or WhatsApp or security keys. Let's say I want to use SMS or WhatsApp. That means I'll get a code sent to my mobile number. Tap on next. Then you add the mobile number. Then the code will be sent to that particular mobile number. I add it in, tap on next, and it's done. After I trade the code, you tap on next, and that's it.